G'day guys, Greg here. Now recently a friend of mine gave me this big, beautiful, delicious looking pumpkin that she grew in her garden, and well, I was thinking, what can I do with it? And well, now that the weather's cooling down, I thought I might make a delicious pumpkin soup. This soup recipe is really simple and easy and amazingly delicious. And it's nice and creamy too. So anyway, let me show you the other ingredients I'm using today. So all you're going to need for this is some garlic, onion, some chicken stock, salt and pepper, and some cream. Well, of course you're going to need a pumpkin too. Now there's only a few things I need to cut up, but one of them is that pumpkin, which is a right royal pain in the behind. Now this can be very hard to do. Oh, look how delicious that looks. So now I'm just going to go around and cut off all this skin. And scoop out all the seeds. Might want to plant these seeds in your own garden. Grow your own pumpkins. They grow like weeds, you know. Some of the tastiest weeds you'll ever grow. Alright, let's see what we're left with. About 1.7, so I cut like a kilo of skin off. So 1.7, that's good to know. I'll still use 1 onion, and I'll use 4 bits of garlic instead, and I'll probably need maybe another 250 mils or half a litre of water or stock. Okay, so now I just need to finish cutting this pumpkin up into saucepan size cubes. I hope my saucepan's big enough. Oh yeah, should be right. And I just need to cut up the onion. It's all going to get blended in the end, so it doesn't really matter how you cut this. Just cut it like this if you want. We'll just chuck that in. And the garlic, just need to take this skin off. We just chuck those in too. Now you're probably thinking raw onion and raw garlic. Well, it actually adds a really nice savouriness to this dish. So I'll add in the stock. It's 1 litre. I'll probably need to add a little bit more water. So maybe 1.2 litres. I'll just add that much. I'll turn this on. And we'll get this boiling. Now the stock should be salty enough, so I won't need to add any more salt into the water for now. Well, now it's boiling. I'm going to let it rapid boil like that for 15 to 20 minutes or until that pumpkin gets nice and soft. Alright, well that's been like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, not too sure. But the fork is going in nice and easily. So, that's ready. So I'll turn that off. And now it's time to blend it. So I've just got this stick blender here. And blend it all together. And wow, amazingly enough, I only got a little tiny bit on my shirt. Yes! Oh, look how creamy that looks. Let's give it a bit of a taste. Oh, mate. This is so creamy and nice. You can really taste the garlic in it. Probably could have used 3 instead of 4. But, mate, and the savouriness of that onion. Anyway, it tastes awesome as is, but I'm going to add some cream to it. Make it taste even awesome nisser. But I might add the cream later. So I'll just pour some into this bowl. Ladling it's called. Yeah, wow, this is a really nice thick texture. Not too thick though, but it's not like flattening out, so it's pretty thick, but not too thick. I'll just pour some cream over. I'll crack some pepper. And I tasted it, it really doesn't need any salt. And there you have it, a super simple, super delicious, creamy pumpkin soup. Let me just stir some of that cream through. And what that'll do also is thin it out a little bit. Oh, OMG! It smells amazing! Oh, it smells incredible. Alright, and of course, it'd be perfect with some nice buttered bread. Oh yeah, but I ain't got time for that. So let's go. Oh wow. Oh. Oh mate. Honestly, it could not be any better. It tastes absolutely amazing. Oh, dudes. Oh, I think this is the best one I ever made. Oh, so creamy, so delicious. That pumpkin is so smooth, and the onion and garlic blended in, mate, it is just amazing. Oh, the best I've ever made. There you go, a simple, easy pumpkin soup, mate. You're gonna love this recipe because it tastes awesome. But there you go, if you've got some big old pumpkins in your backyard, now you know what to do with them. And there's so much pumpkin soup there, it's gonna last me a very long time. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook in the kitchen. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's kitchen, where the food is finger